In this video, we will be discussing how to complete a conversion problem that involves percentages. So in our problem, it says a jar of peanut butter contains 2.02 kilograms of peanut butter. If you use 6% of the peanut butter for a sandwich, how many ounces of peanut butter did you take out of the container? This problem includes three pieces of information. The first piece of information that it includes is the information that's given to you, which is the 2.02 kilograms of peanut butter. The second piece of information is what it is asking you to find, which is ounces of peanut butter. The third piece of information this problem includes is a hidden conversion factor, and the hidden conversion factor is the percent of peanut butter. Let's make a unit map in order to determine how to complete this problem. So the information that's given to us is kilograms. So that is the first unit that we are going to include in our unit map. We know that kilograms can be converted into pounds, and that pounds can be converted into ounces. The last piece of our unit map is going to be the part of the map that pertains to the percent. So the amount that was used versus the amount that was in the container. So let's begin our problem. What's given to us in our problem is 2.02 kilograms of total peanut butter in our container. So I'm going to call this container. Even if we don't know anything else, we know that if we have the unit kilogram on top, then we have to include kilogram on the bottom. We know from our unit map that we can change our kilogram into pound, and I'm going to abbreviate container here. If pound is on top, then we know that pound is the unit that has to go onto the bottom. And that we can change pound into ounces. If ounces are on top, then we know that we need ounces on the bottom. Now here is where we're going to use our percent or our hidden conversion factor. This is ounces in the container, and we want to know how many ounces were removed or taken. So ounces container and ounces taken are going to be our last units. One of the equalities that we memorized was the equality for kilogram and pound. And we know that in 1 kilogram there are 2.20 pounds. One of the other equalities or conversion factors that we can look up is the relationship between pound and ounce. And there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. This last equality or conversion factor comes from our problem. Percent is a hidden conversion factor, and percent means per 100 or out of 100. So this conversion factor means that we have taken out 6 ounces for every 100 ounces that would be in a container. That's the percent part. Now we can plug this information into our calculator to determine our final answer. We would say parentheses 2.02 times 2.20 times 16 times 6, close parentheses, divide, parentheses for the information that's on the bottom would be divided by 100, close parentheses, enter. So our answer would be 4.26624. In our original problem, we had 3 significant figures. So in our final answer, we would also need 3 significant figures. So our answer would be 4.27 kilograms in our container, cancels out kilograms in our container. Pound in the container, cancels out with pound in the container. Ounces in container, cancels out ounces in container, to leave us with the unit of ounces taken out of the container. So ounces taken. This would be our answer.